Gentlemen, let me ask you a question. When did restaurants become golf club locker rooms? Take a look around the next time you go out for dinner on a warm spring evening. You'll see the same pattern everywhere. Men wearing bright polyester polo shirts that look like they belong on a driving range. Gigantic logos across the chest. Plastic shiny fabric that reflects every light in the room. And collars so limp they collapse before the appetizer even arrives. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. Many of these men believe they're dressed well. They think they look sporty, relaxed, maybe even stylish. But the reality is very different. Activewear wasn't designed for elegance. It was designed for sweat, for movement, for golf courses and tennis courts, not candlelit dinners or evening patios. So when you wear it to a restaurant, on a date, or to a social gathering, you don't look athletic. You look underdressed. And once you cross 50, that difference becomes even more noticeable. Because mature style should communicate something very specific: experience, calm confidence, effortless authority. The good news is that fixing this problem doesn't require a complicated wardrobe. In fact, the solution is incredibly simple. One garment, one upgrade, one small shift that immediately transforms how you look in spring and summer. The knit polo. This is the shirt refined men quietly rely on when they want to look relaxed but still sophisticated. It has the comfort of your favorite t-shirt, but it carries the structure and presence of something far more intentional. The collar holds its shape, the fabric has weight and texture, and the overall silhouette looks clean instead of sloppy. In other words, you look like a man who understands style. Today I'm going to show you exactly why knit polos are the secret weapon of well-dressed men over 50. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why swapping your shiny golf shirts for this one piece might be the smartest upgrade you make this season. Let's fix this. Before we upgrade your wardrobe, we need to talk about a quiet style problem affecting a lot of men. I call it the golf shirt habit. Somewhere after 50, many men start relying almost exclusively on athletic polos. You see them everywhere, at restaurants, at family gatherings, even on dinner dates. And at first glance, the decision makes sense. Golf shirts are comfortable. They're light, stretchy, and designed with moisture-wicking fabrics that keep you cool in warm weather. For a long afternoon on the golf course, they're perfect. But outside of that environment, they create a subtle problem. The shiny polyester fabric reflects light in a way that feels cheap. The structure disappears after a few washes, and those large logos instantly downgrade the entire outfit. Instead of looking relaxed and refined, you end up looking like you just stepped off the 18th hole. And there are three major reasons these shirts quietly damage your style. Let's take a closer look. The fabric problem. The first problem with golf shirts comes down to one thing: the material. Most modern golf polos are made from polyester blends, usually mixed with elastane for stretch. In other words, they're engineered performance fabrics. Great for athletes, not so great for elegant style. Because under natural sunlight or indoor restaurant lighting, synthetic fabrics behave very differently from natural ones. They reflect light. Instead of absorbing it, they create a shiny, slightly artificial glare that instantly makes the garment feel cheaper. But there's another issue that's even more important. These fabrics cling to the body. They're designed to hug your shape so they can move easily during sports. But in everyday life, that cling works against you. If you carry even a small amount of weight around your stomach, the fabric outlines everything. Natural fabrics drape. Synthetic fabrics expose. And that difference alone can completely change how polished or sloppy you appear. 2. The collar collapse. The second issue is the collar. And in menswear, the collar might be the most important detail on your entire shirt. Why? Because it frames your face. When someone looks at you, their eyes naturally land right here. So if the collar looks sharp and structured, the entire outfit feels intentional. But if the collar looks weak, the whole look collapses. And unfortunately, that's exactly what happens with most golf shirts. They're designed with soft, stretchy, ribbed collars that have almost no structure. At first, they look fine, but after a few trips through the washing machine, they begin to lose their shape. The edges curl, the fabric twists, and before long, you're left with the dreaded bacon collar. Wavy, uneven, and impossible to style. Now add a blazer to the equation. Instead of sitting neatly over the jacket, the collar folds inward. It slides under the lapel, and suddenly the entire outfit looks like sportswear trying to pretend it's formal. It's a small detail, but it destroys the polish of the entire look. 3. The logo problem. The third issue is branding. Take a look at most modern polo shirts and you'll notice the same pattern. Huge embroidered logos, bold brand names, bright colors designed to grab attention from across the room. Before you realize it, you've turned yourself into a walking billboard. And here's the problem with that. Sophisticated style has never been about advertising. It's about restraint. When a logo dominates the front of your shirt, the message becomes very clear. You're trying to impress people with a brand. But the most elegant men in the world don't rely on logos to communicate status. They rely on quality, fit, materials, presence. Because true confidence doesn't need a giant symbol stitched onto the chest. Real elegance doesn't shout across the room, it speaks quietly, and people notice anyway. The solution? The knit polo. So if golf shirts create all these problems, what's the alternative? The answer is surprisingly simple: the knit polo. This is one of the most underrated garments in men's style, and yet it solves almost every issue we just discussed. Think of it as the perfect middle ground. More elevated than a t-shirt, less formal than a dress shirt. Relaxed enough for warm weather, but refined enough for dinner, travel, or social gatherings. It's the kind of shirt that allows you to look composed without looking overdressed. And the secret lies in the fabric. The fabric advantage. A real knit polo is built from much higher quality materials than the typical athletic polo. You'll often see fabrics like fine merino wool, cotton blended with silk, or premium high-twist cotton yarns. These materials behave very differently from synthetic polyester. They breathe naturally. They absorb light instead of reflecting it. And most importantly, they develop texture. Instead of a flat, glossy surface, the fabric has visual depth. Small variations in the knit pattern create dimension, which immediately makes the garment feel richer and more sophisticated. It's one of those subtle upgrades people notice, even if they can't explain why. The shirt simply looks better, more expensive, more intentional, without any loud branding or unnecessary decoration. The perfect drape. Now let's talk about fit, because this is where knit polos truly separate themselves from athletic shirts. Polyester performance fabrics tend to cling to the body. They stretch tightly across the chest and stomach, which means every contour becomes visible. But knit fabrics are different. They have weight, they have structure, and that allows them to drape naturally. Instead of hugging every curve, they glide across the body, creating a smooth line from the shoulders down to the waist. The effect is incredibly flattering. Your frame looks cleaner, your posture looks stronger, and your overall appearance becomes more composed, all without sacrificing comfort. Built-in tailoring. Then there's one more advantage that most men overlook. Knit polos often include small design details that mimic tailoring, things like ribbed hems, structured sleeve cuffs. These elements subtly control how the shirt sits on your body. The hem gently holds at the waist, which means you can leave the shirt untucked and still maintain a polished silhouette. The sleeves hug the arms slightly, creating definition through the upper body. It's a small visual trick, but a powerful one, because suddenly the shirt looks custom-fitted, even though it came straight off the rack. In other words, a knit polo gives you structure, comfort, and elegance all in one garment. And that's exactly why it's such a powerful upgrade for warm weather style. The collar command. Now let's talk about the single most important detail on any shirt: the collar. Because whether people realize it or not, the collar is the frame of your face. It sits at eye level, it defines the neckline, and it determines whether your outfit looks structured or sloppy. Unfortunately, this is exactly where most golf shirts fail. Their collars are soft, ribbed, completely unstructured. They curl after washing, they twist out of shape, and the moment you try to layer them under a jacket, they collapse completely. But a quality knit polo changes the entire experience. Because the collar is built differently, it's thicker, more structured, often designed with a slightly wider spread collar that naturally holds its shape. Instead of drooping or folding inward, it stands neatly around the neck. The effect is subtle, but powerful. Your neckline looks cleaner, your face appears more framed, and the overall outfit gains a sense of quiet authority. Now, here's where things become really interesting. Add a blazer. With a golf shirt, this combination rarely works. The collar sinks under the lapel, the shirt disappears, and the whole look feels accidental. But when you pair a knit polo with a tailored jacket, everything clicks. The collar sits perfectly over the lapel, the structure holds, the textures complement each other beautifully. Suddenly, the outfit feels balanced, relaxed but refined, comfortable but sophisticated. This combination has become one of the defining looks of modern smart casual style. It's not formal, it's not sloppy, it sits perfectly in between. Think warm evenings on the Italian coast. A light blazer, a knit polo underneath, a glass of wine on a terrace overlooking the sea. Effortless confidence. That's the power of a great collar. How to style it. 3 powerful looks. Now that you understand why knit polos work so well, let's talk about how to actually wear them, because the beauty of this garment is its versatility. A single knit polo can move seamlessly from a relaxed weekend outfit to an elegant evening look. So here are 3 powerful ways to style it. Look 1. Riviera Casual. Imagine a warm afternoon by the sea. Soft sunlight. A relaxed cafe. That's the energy of this first look. Start with a navy knit polo. Navy is timeless. It instantly feels polished without trying too hard. Pair it with cream or off-white chinos. This light and dark contrast is one of the most classic combinations in men's style. It feels clean, fresh, and sophisticated. For footwear, choose brown suede loafers. Suede adds softness and keeps the outfit relaxed rather than overly formal. And here's the key detail. Leave the polo untucked. A good knit polo is designed for this. The ribbed hem keeps everything sitting neatly at the waist. The result? Effortless Riviera elegance. Look 2. Elevated layer. Now let's move to something slightly more polished. This is the outfit you wear when you want to look sharp but still relaxed. Start with an earth tone knit polo. Camel, olive, or burnt orange are excellent choices. These colors feel warm, rich, and mature. Layer it under a navy, unstructured blazer. The blazer adds structure to your shoulders and instantly elevates the outfit. For trousers, choose dark indigo jeans. Dark denim keeps the look modern while maintaining that smart casual balance. Finish everything with brown leather boots. Now you have an outfit that feels strong, masculine, and sophisticated. You're wearing a jacket, but you still feel as comfortable as if you were in a sweater. Look 3. Tonal mastery. The final look uses a technique that professional stylists rely on constantly: tonal dressing. Start with a mid-blue knit polo. Pair it with dark navy trousers. Because both pieces share a similar color family, your eye doesn't see a harsh break in the middle of the body. Instead, the colors flow smoothly together. This creates a continuous vertical line. And visually, that line makes you appear taller and slimmer. It's one of the easiest style tricks you can use. Finish the look with dark brown dress shoes. The outfit becomes incredibly clean and elegant. Nothing flashy, nothing complicated. Just refined simplicity. When it comes to style after 50, the goal isn't to try harder. The goal is to choose smarter. Because real elegance rarely comes from wearing more clothes. It comes from wearing better ones. Pieces that fit well, materials that drape properly, design that works with your body instead of against it. And that's exactly why the knit polo is such a powerful upgrade. Simply replacing those shiny synthetic golf shirts with a well-made knit polo can transform your entire appearance. You don't lose comfort, you simply gain refinement. Your outfit looks sharper, your silhouette looks cleaner, and your overall presence feels more confident. So here's a simple challenge for this week. Go out and buy one quality knit polo. Choose a versatile color, navy, brown, or even olive. Then, wear it the next time you go out for dinner. Pay attention to how different it feels, not just physically, but visually. You'll notice the change almost immediately. If this video helped you rethink your style, subscribe for more timeless advice designed specifically for men who value quiet sophistication. And I'm curious, are those old golf shirts still hanging in your closet?